is not committed to liberal arts, as evidenced by its decision to close the classics department. The study of classical antiquity is crucial to to the liberal arts, and it has been so since the Renaissance.
All right, so do you stop there and find your conclusion?
Yeah. So our university is not committed to liberal arts, as evidenced by its decision to close the classics department. Um,
And I
although
feel like there's two here. Like the study of classical antiquity is crucial to the liberal arts.
that like another oh, I thought that was the
This
evidence.
I feel like it's I think it's a subsidiary conclusion that supports like why are they not committed
Mm,
to the liberal arts? Because this study is crucial to the liberal arts.
right.
Maybe all right. So go on to Warrington.
Although the study of classical works is essential to the liberal arts, a classics department isn't, since other departments often engage in that study. So the conclusion is that a classics department isn't essential to the liberal arts.
Awesome. And how does he get to that conclusion? How does Warrington get there?
Um, well, he says that he says what is essential to the liberal arts and differentiates that from so he says he ex- so he accepts that the study of classical works is essential to liberal arts, but then he kind of challenges what Lopez says by saying that a classics department isn't.
Right. And so what is that? So tell me that in your own words. What is he essentially saying? That so Lopez is saying that our university isn't committed to liberal arts um because we closed the classics department, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the study of classical antiquity is crucial to liberal arts. So how can we, she's saying, how can we be committed to liberal arts if we close this class? And Warrington responds by saying, no, you're right. The classical words is essential to liberal arts, but we don't have to have the classics department
Yeah.
to engage in that part of study, right?
Yeah.
So how, what is he exposing, or what is he's offering almost like an alternative explanation, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I was going to say that.
Okay, so what did you say for this one?
I said C, mounting a direct challenge to the conclusion. But now I understand like why it's wrong because he's not like attacking his conclusion, which is that the university is not committed to liberal arts. Like he's not attacking that. So
Oh, I think he kind of is. Like I think he's saying that, well, not completely, but I think he's saying that you can't draw that conclusion just because we don't have a plastics department.
so you're saying that he is challenging his conclusion?
I don't think it's a direct challenge.
Mm. So what would be a direct challenge? Like
Like if we
explicitly
said
saying,
that, therefore the university is committed to liberal arts. I don't
mm,
think that we are a direct, we're not saying that the conclusion's wrong. I think we're just showing that why it's not completely valid. It's like one
okay.
of those things where it's like if I said Trump is bad because of this, and I'm like, well, actually about this, that doesn't mean I don't think Trump is bad. I'm just saying your reasoning for it isn't completely right.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess E because it's closest to an alternative explanation.
Yeah,
That's what
because
you're
we're
saying.
undermining the, because this is right. By undermining the reasoning, what do we in turn do? We weaken the conclusion, right?
Uh-huh. He's weakening the
So it's not like a
conclusion.
direct challenge. We don't destroy the conclusion, but we definitely undermine it.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. And then I was looking at like D, like when I was taking it timed, I
Mm-hmm.
was looking at D, but now is it wrong because it's saying that it's responding to a possible objection, but Lopez doesn't present a possible objection, right? So that would
Well, and
be
they're not addressing one like some people might be concerned about Lopez because of this. Well, I'm going to solve that problem. Like that, like if we're responding to a possible objection, we almost would be supporting Lopez's argument.
okay.